Hello everyone, welcome back to Tender Insights. In today's video, I will show you how to download tender documents from the CPP portal step by step. If you are new to government tendering, this tutorial will help you understand exactly where to find and download the official tender documents. So let's get started. First, open your browser and visit eprocure.gov.in. This is the Central Public Procurement Portal, commonly known as CPP Portal, where central government departments publish their tenders online. For this demonstration, I am selecting Open Tender as the tender type. Next, I will select the organization BARC, which stands for Baba Atomic Research Center, just like we did in the previous video. Now enter the CAPTCHA and click search. As you can see, the portal provides several different search options. However, for this tutorial, we will follow the same method as in the previous video, so it's easier for beginners to understand. Here you can see the list of available tenders. Each row displays important information such as the tender ID, tender title, closing date, bid opening date, and other key details. Now let's open one of these tenders and learn how to download all the related documents. This is the tender details page. Here you will find important information related to the tender, including the work description, EMD details, critical dates, payment instructions, and details of the inviting authority. Here you will find the tender notice. Simply click on it to download. For security purposes, the portal will ask you to enter the CAPTCHA once again. After entering the CAPTCHA, the PDF will be downloaded to your computer. Similarly, you can also download the zip file. The zip file contains three important files: the tender document, the general conditions of contract, also known as GCC, and the BOQ file. Let's download that as well. Let's open the tender notice first. This is the NIT, which stands for Notice Inviting Tender. This document provides a quick overview of the tender. Here you can find information such as the NIT number, name of the work, EMD amount, completion period, tender processing fee, security deposit, and many other important details that every bidder should review before participating. Now let's open the downloaded zip folder. Inside you can see three different files. The first one is the tender document, which contains the complete tender conditions and is divided into different sections. The second file is the GCC or General Conditions of Contract, which explains the standard terms and conditions applicable to the contract. Finally, we have the BOQ Excel file, where bidders are required to quote their rates while submitting the financial bid. We will understand how to fill the BOQ correctly in a dedicated upcoming video. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe to Tender Insights. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I will happy to help. Until then, keep learning, keep bidding, and keep growing with Tender Insights.